This is the end of the work on day 2. The pipe has been laid and some stone has started to be laid over the pipe, and the side strip has been laid. I thought that the pipe would be laid on a bed of rock, but apparently it's right on the sand, and the rocks will go around it like so and over it. There's also a fine mesh, like a stockinette filter, which goes around the pipe. The trench gets deeper as you get closer to the sump pump. You can see the sump pump in the corner, and you can see the PVC drain pipe. Which comes up the wall and goes through the cinder block outside. And I'll show you where that's exiting later. So this is the sump pump area. And this is where they've tunneled under there. So this is where that drain pipe exits the basement, and they've got it buried under this mulch, and they've got it aimed here. The plan is to put an elbow there and direct it on the driveway, just like the gutter pipe has been directed onto the driveway. And that way the water can just run down into the street and then into the gutters.